Hi, Matt from Invariant here, and welcome to the tutorial on exporting the manifest in RapidPlan. The manifest tool in RapidPlan is designed to keep track of the objects on your traffic control plan, making it easier for the worksite team to know which signs and other materials need to be taken to and from the job location. In this tutorial, we'll step you through how to export the manifest and represent it in PDF format for your team. To learn more about editing the manifest, please refer to the video in the description below. The manifest tool has many features which can assist you in representing the information on your plan. One of the main features of the tool is the ability to export and attribute location coordinates for worksite devices on your plan, such as signs, traffic controllers, and other objects that will need precise placement for the plan to be accurate. For example, some surveyors and event managers will take mobile devices with them to the job location to track location coordinates. Using these devices paired with the manifest export will ensure that all objects referenced on the plan are positioned in their correct location. For this demonstration, I will use this existing plan here that contains some signs, traffic controllers, and other related worksite devices placed in position. To complete my plan, I will add my manifest via the Annotations tab here, which will detail and itemize the objects I have placed. To export my manifest list, simply right-click and select Export Manifest. A dialog box will then display with the items contained within the manifest. These items can be ordered by value of the objects or by each individual object name. Units of measurement can also be set here if there are any measurement objects in the manifest. On the right of the dialog box is the Options menu. Here you can give the manifest document a name and also a description. You can also check whether details such as document, plan, and device location will be listed on the exported manifest. For this tutorial, I will check the box for device location as well, so that we can see the coordinates location for each device placed on the plan. Once you are happy with the details of the manifest, you can directly print the manifest without viewing it via this button here. To export your manifest to PDF file, select PDF format as your export type via this drop-down box. You'll notice there are other file types to export to as well, such as CSV and XML if required. Once you've set it as PDF, hit the Export button and save the file to your chosen location. Once saved, the exported manifest will then preview in your PDF viewer. As you can see, it will display all of the worksite devices for our plan with their precise location coordinates as it was placed on the aerial image plan. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on exporting the manifest. Please hit subscribe below to stay up to date on new content at Invariant.